Welcome to this video, where we debunk the myths surrounding, quote, electricity-saving boxes and the home power factor, specifically within the Indian scenario. We will explore the difference between science and marketing, and explain why simple devices cannot bypass the fundamental laws of physics to provide significant electricity savings. To understand power factor, let's look at the three types of power. Active power does the actual work and is measured in watts. Reactive power maintains magnetic fields, measured in VAR, and does not do work. Apparent power is the total vector sum, measured in VA. In India, billing for residential users is predominantly based on kilowatt-hour, kWh, or active power, accounting for about 95% of domestic connections. Industrial users might be billed on kVAh, but homeowners are typically not. When we look inside a typical power saver box, often a low-cost item, it mainly contains a small capacitor that provides insignificant power factor correction and an LED light that consumes a small parasitic load just to indicate it is working. The reality of billing is that correcting the reactive power component with one of these boxes has a 0% effect on your total bill, because only the active power, kWh, is billable on a residential meter. Therefore, there is zero financial gain for homeowners. Your digital meter records only kWh. Correcting the reactive power at the wall socket has no effect on the billable component. Indian digital meters display kWh as the billing unit. While they may also show the instantaneous power factor, PF, improving this PF value does not change your cumulative kWh total, which is based on the work done by appliances. A typical Indian home load consists mainly of AC and refrigeration at 50%, water heating at 25%, and fan/lighting at 15%. To save electricity, focus your efforts on these high-consumption sectors. Real ways to cut your bill include choosing appliances with a high BEE star rating, using inverter technology for large appliances, and replacing old lighting with energy-efficient LED bulbs. The summary verdict is clear. Power factor correction is vital for industries, but for a home, these plug-in boxes are nothing more than glorified LEDs.